Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, with your Tiny Tip Tuesday. I am going to be making some changes to videos on my page, and we're going to revert to some of the original plan, like Tuesdays is a Tiny Tip Tuesday. So we're going to be going back to just a quick tiny tip. Not too long. This is probably going to be the longest tiny tip video because I'm explaining to you that they're going to be shorter. So welcome to facebook.com/MemoryInkers. I am your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, Carrie Beglow from Farmington Hills, Michigan. And this is today's tiny tip. I am using the At the Pond, which is a current Hostess set in the January to April mini catalog. I'm using Balmy Blue ink. I'm going to be using the two flower images from this set. I was going to do the hearts, but I decided to do the flowers because you have to watch. You can see here I had the hearts ready. You have to watch where it's going to fit on the ribbon, and I didn't particularly care for the hearts on this beautiful ribbon. This is the it is called, I have to find it in English, variegated ribbon. This is in Balmy Blue, and if you can see, it is truly variegated. It is blue and white streaming in, and I kind of got started there. So my tip is, first of all, you can stamp on your ribbon. Hello, awesome, right? But the tip for me today is how I've got both of the images onto the block. And what I did was I set the stamps onto the grid paper and kind of got them evened up. I knew how wide my ribbon was, which is just a squidgy past a half an inch, just a squidgy. And these guys are about a half an inch. So I knew they would fit. And then you can see I re-inked my Balmy Blue. And so I'm going to ink it up. And I like that I have the outline image and the solid image, because this is going to give me some variety on my ribbon. So I'm laying my ribbon on my well-loved and well-used grid paper. And now when I stamp, they are going to be fairly even spaced. I'm not worrying too much that it isn't stamping like perfectly solid. To avoid that, if that is a concern for you, generally speaking, when you put it on top of your foam mat, that will change the way that looks. And I will create a project and post it later showing how I use this ribbon. But see how now it's got a little bit more solid image there. But that is my tiny tip today. Stamp on your ribbon. Have some fun with it. Have a blessed and happy day. Remember, if you share this video with your friends, comment below so you can be in my free drawing. If you're looking to make a purchase, my Stampin' Up! Website is at MemoryInkers.com. My email is MemoryInkers@gmail.com. And if you would please use my hostess code 2TQMPKSD, that will entitle you to a free thank you gift from me. Have a blessed and wonderful rest of your day. Bye, everybody.